Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt with MarineMax. Today we're going to look at a 2019 NauticStar 203 DC. Let's take a closer look. This boat comes equipped with a 115 horsepower Yamaha 4-cycle engine. It's got plenty of room. We've got a tow bar in the back. We have a walkthrough, full instrumentation, USBs, bolster seat, built-in cooler, has a built-in sink, lots of cup holders. This deck boat has a nice big bow with front entry and anchor ladder. Also, this boat comes with lots of storage in the front, a ski locker in the front as well, deluxe stereo, lots of storage in this boat. It comes with a table, really nice setup. If this is a boat that you would think you would be interested in, give us a call. This is Dennis at MarineMax, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.